average American, you're going to retire $1.2 million in debt. This is simply a fact for most Americans. Here's how this happens. The bank will partner with you in your good credit by offering you all kinds of liabilities throughout your life that you have to pay them back for. This keeps you working hard today to pay bills coming due tomorrow. They literally suck up all of your cash, leaving you broke and without resources. When you become a credit partner with us, we reverse the scenario. By partnering with us, we put cash in your pocket every month, giving you a retirement plan and options along the way. It's a simple process. Partner with us rather than the bank and make money the smart way. Here's why you want to do that. Statistically, the average American is going to earn between 1.8 and 2.5 million over the course of 60 years. Seems like a reasonable amount of money, right? Well, the truth is, it's not nearly enough. You will actually spend more money than you earn. So much so that you can expect 1.2 million of debt waiting for you at retirement. And this is a baseline statistical fact for most Americans. Your problem of not having enough money and being in debt comes from having the wrong relationship with the banks. Becoming a credit partner puts your credit to work for you, making you money and giving you a plan for retirement. So instead of getting taken advantage of by banks and lenders, you utilize your credit to create income. Become a credit partner today and see the difference for yourself.